Healthy recipes to satisfy sweet cravings. At a certain time of the day, especially at night, or when it is cold, or when we are anxious about something, the craving to eat chocolate, desserts, candy, and sweets attacks. What should you do in these cases? Find out the best healthy recipes to satisfy sweet cravings in the following article. Recipes to stop sweet cravings. Some of these recipes are healthier than others. But the good news is that they will give you the sufficient dose of natural sweetness to not want to continue rummaging in the fridge or cabinets for something that has a high sugar content. Chocolate strawberries. There are certain types of dark chocolate that you can melt to make a delicious fondue. Besides strawberries, you can opt for fruits like apples, according to your preference. You can leave them in the freezer to make a kind of ice cream. If you would like bananas, they are a great source of vitamin B and C, fiber, and potassium. The best part is that this will satisfy your hunger or cravings for sweets. Yogurt and granola. Mix a cup of skim, natural Greek, or vanilla yogurt with a few tablespoons of granola or crumbled cookies. Other interesting options are dried fruits, almonds, walnuts, etc., or pieces of fresh fruit. Fruit. There is nothing better than a good serving of fresh fruit to fight cravings. Make a full salad with everything you find in your fridge, orange juice included. Don't use too much sugar to sweeten it, or even better, choose something healthier like stevia. Dark chocolate. This is the only chocolate that is allowed to get rid of cravings healthily. The percentage of cocoa should be as high as possible, 70–99. There should be no milk or sugar. Also, eat it in moderation in order to reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. It also helps you concentrate before studying. Chocolate is also rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps you achieve stability in your nervous system and control anxiety. Smoothies. Smoothies are the perfect recipe to get rid of hunger, get energy back after the gym, and also to get rid of cravings. There are thousands of different recipes to mix all kinds of ingredients. The ones with fruit are more recommended than those that have milk or cream, if you want healthy options. Frozen juices. There is nothing better than a good freshly squeezed fruit juice, all natural, to get rid of sweetness cravings. And it is very easy. Squeeze the juice from an orange, grapefruit, or anything else similar. Add ice and mix in the blender. You can add a pinch of sugar if you would like. Another option is to put pieces of peach or cranberry directly in the blender and don't forget the ice. This will make it creamier. Mocha coffee. Even if you are not used to drinking coffee at night, a small serving won't hurt. Don't drink it every day. You will also get a dose of caffeine and dark chocolate that will help you reduce the cravings to eat something sweet. Choose another alternative to refined sugar like brown sugar or vanilla to sweeten it. Natural popsicles. They are made easily and are delicious. You don't only need to eat it during the summer, many are made in the winter as well. Use honey to sweeten it. Make a fruit juice or smoothie, as we explained earlier, and put it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Frozen yogurt. Add some toppings to the type of yogurt you like chopped nuts, diced fruit, etc. And put it in the freezer. There is nothing richer or healthier to get rid of cravings. Baked apple. It is truly easy to make and perfect for winter nights. You can also make it with pears. Put it on a baking sheet with a little bit of water and put it in the oven. You can hollow out the fruit and make a syrup with brown sugar and water. Pudding. Homemade vanilla pudding is one of the best recipes to enjoy in the afternoon, but also when the urge to eat something sweet attacks. It is healthy if you make it with a little bit of sugar or sweeten it with honey or dates. And if you want a special flavor, melt a little bit of dark chocolate. Cereal bars. They are nutritious and give you a large amount of vitamins, which are great for having energy after exercising, for example. Because they are made with nuts, grains, and fruit, they should never be missing from your pantry. You can also make them yourself by mixing the ingredients and pouring honey over it, as if it were granola. Fruit and cottage cheese. This is a delicious option to satisfy sweet cravings and will also fill you up with protein. If the fruit is not enough, you can add a tablespoon of honey or a teaspoon of powdered cocoa. Cinnamon bread. Toasted bread with cinnamon is sweet and healthy. Cut a few pieces of wheat bread and cover it with a tablespoon of low-fat butter and sprinkle it with cinnamon. Sweet jam and cheese. This is a more than healthy alternative because besides being bittersweet and a mixture that contrasts, you can enjoy the benefits of both ingredients. And it is more than easy to make. Just cut slices and eat each one at the same time. Trail mix. You can buy it in natural stores or make it yourself. Hazelnuts, walnuts, pistachios, almonds, dates, raisins. Put all of that in a cup and enjoy. Don't eat too much because this has a few calories, but the good news is that it satisfies hunger and gets rid of your sweet cravings.